Hi, how are you?
Nice. I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
I can't hear you. Are you there?
Yeah,
Okay, I hear you. I'm sorry about that. Okay, what is your name?
my name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. My
Yes.
name is Kay. I am located in the United States. How about you? Where are you from?
Wow. I'm from India.
From India.
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. That's great. That's great. So what time is it over there in India?
Right now, 8:16 p.m.
Oh, it's
Right.
almost
Yes,
nighttime.
yes.
Okay. Over here it is 9:47 in the morning.
Oh my God, 9:47
Yeah,
morning.
in
Oh,
the morning. You're
very,
in the
very
future.
different time. Future?
Yeah, you're in the future.
Oh,
I always say
uh,
that to my students because you are almost finishing the day and I'm starting the day.
yes, yes. So there is Sunday.
Over here it is Saturday in the
Saturday.
morning. Yeah,
Okay.
Saturday in the morning. Yeah, it's Saturday here. Okay, Sahiba, and what brings you to Cambly? What are you doing here? Do you just want to practice your English?
Yes, yes. Just right now, I am practicing in English. Yeah.
Mhm.
So,
Okay, and are you practicing for school or for something like that?
yes, yes. For school, for university.
Oh, oh, excellent! You're in university.
No, right now I am in 12th grade in high school.
Oh, in high school, but you're almost finished.
Yes, yes. It's my last year.
Oh. Excellent, excellent. Okay. And are you in summer break or not yet?
Sorry.
Are you in summer break, summer vacation or not yet?
Yes, yes. Right now in summer vacation.
Okay, okay. And what plans do you have for your summer vacation?
Um, I have no other plan.
Uh-huh.
Because in summer vacation, I am. I want to learn only English
Okay,
in summer
excellent.
vacation. Yes, this
That
is my
is,
plan.
that is a great plan actually,
Yes,
practicing your English and taking the time to
yes,
to
yes. A lot
to
of time
to
because I am free in after school.
yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's an excellent choice, Sahiva. Very well
Yes, yes,
done.
yeah,
Okay. And right now you said that you're going to start your last year in high school, right? 12th grade?
yes.
Okay. So what are your plans for university? What would you like to study? What are you going to go for to school for?
Actually, just right now I am planning for to go to in America.
Oh, excellent. Wow. What
Yes, yes.
part of United States would you like to come? What part of America?
California.
Excellent. California is beautiful. It
Yes, yes.
it's my favorite state. I don't know if you've been there before.
No, no.
No, it has amazing weather. Um, it has a lot of how can I say it? Like a lot of trees, a lot of nature. It's amazing. I love California.
Oh,
It's my favorite place in the whole United States. So that's an excellent choice.
so you have visited before?
Yes, I live in Texas. I am in the south of the United States. My state is the border with Mexico, but
Oh,
I've visited California many times. Yes, many times.
so how is the people there?
Here in Texas, well, it's a mix of everything. Here I mean, in Texas, there are a lot of Mexicans because we're so close to the border. We have a lot of Latin people, but also we have a lot of, Americans that are from here, from the United States. Um, I like California because I think people are friendlier. They are nicer, they are more respectful than here
Oh,
in Texas. Here in Texas, there are
wow.
some people that are like very not so nice, kind of mean at times. Yeah, but I like the people more in California because they are
Mhm.
kinder, they are more respectful, they are more tolerant also. So California is a perfect fit. If you want to go over there, you should definitely do so.
Yeah. So tell me, uh, in California, how many top universities?
I am not sure. Because I studied here in Texas. But
Okay.
let me see, California. Let me Google that. I think there's like Stanford, which is one of the top universities in the world.
Yes.
Yeah, Stanford. That's one of the biggest one. I think Berkeley is there. I think there is a UCLA also. There are a lot of colleges over there, actually, a lot of universities. But like I said, the best ones are Stanford and Berkeley, definitely.
Hmm.
Yep.
So there is Indian.
There's what do you mean?
I mean, in California, they live in
Hmm.
Indian people.
I think so. Um, there's a lot of people from a lot and more in going to the university over there. You can see a lot of people from all over the world because there are a lot of people coming in from different places like yourself. So when you go to a university, there is where you can see more diversity, a
Yes.
lot of cultures, a lot of people from all around the world. So I think definitely there will be a lot of people from India over there.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, no, nothing.
I thought you said something else. Yeah, so the diversity is big. Yes.
Hmm. So I heard about in about America. There is a melting pot. A
Like
lot of
melting, like because
melting.
of the heat.
Yes, yes. One of my Cambly teacher, she told me in America, mm, in America, no culture, no traditional food,
Yeah,
and
that is true. What
mm,
I like about America is that there are a lot of cultures in one. Myself, I am Mexican American. My
mm,
mother is from Mexico. So I am lucky enough to have the two cultures because my father is also American. But if you compare the two cultures, the richest one, of course, will be the Mexican one because
mm,
of the food, of the traditions, because of the of I don't know. I love being Mexican. I'm proud of being a Mexican, and then versus being American, like you said, there's not a lot of typical foods, a lot of typical holidays, or like all of those types of things. So yeah, that
yeah,
is true. Yeah, and
okay,
that's what I enjoyed the most about living in the United States, that
hmm,
there is a lot of people from all around the world and I get to enjoy the diversity.
okay,
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah,
nice.
yeah. Definitely, definitely. No, yeah, definitely. It's something nice. It's something nice.
So in California, there is Islamic universities. Have you heard about?
I haven't heard about that actually. No, I'm not sure. I would be lying to you if I told you, oh, yes, there's an Islamic university. I'm not really sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it's something I think you would have to Google or check into because I'm not really sure, unfortunately.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Okay, Sahiva, we've got about 30 seconds left. I enjoyed
Yes,
our
yes,
class very much today. Thank you for
yes,
calling me, and hopefully I can speak to you again.
yes, sure. So thank you for telling me some good things about America.
Oh, no problem. No
Yeah,
problem. I'm always happy to speak with students from all over the world. That's the main
yeah,
reason why I'm here because I like to learn from their culture and I like to tell them about life over here.
yeah. Okay,
Okay.
nice to meet you. See you again. Bye
Nice to
bye.
meet you too. Bye, Sahiba. Take
Bye bye.
care.
Have a good day.